there's one problem that's plaguing rural villages across all of Japan. As the younger generation flocks to the big cities, and as the older generation gets older, these villages are slowly shrinking. However, one village in the middle of Shikoku Island, Nagoro Village, has decided to take a different approach. They've decided to repopulate their village with scarecrows. These scarecrows were in fact all created by one woman, Ai no Tsukimi, who started creating these back in 2003. At that time, she returned back to the village she had grown up in and found it was no longer as thriving as it once was. And so in an effort to repopulate the village, she started creating these scarecrows, with the first one being of her father.
Good thing we're here in the daytime. Otherwise, if it's night, it's gonna be so scary and creepy.
Today, even though there is less than 30 residents still remaining in the village, there are over 300 scarecrows scattered throughout the town. These scarecrows were also intended as a way to attract visitors to the town, and clearly it's worked at least for us.
They're all wearing pretty nice shoes. This place looks like where they are made, but nobody hears right now. Brian just gave a shout, but nobody responds. So the atmosphere is a little bit weird here.
Within the workshop, we found what looked like 100 scarecrows, but also a guest book, as well as various supplies to make the scarecrows, like fabric and used newspaper. We eventually made our way across from the workshop to the school and gymnasium, where we were greeted with quite a surprise.
Wow, it's a gymnasium.
The gymnasium was really a sight to behold. It showed a lively festival of perhaps how this town used to be, frozen in time, for us to enjoy, and for us to remember.
Remind me of the night in the museum. Everywhere during this Golden Week in Japan is full of people, but only here it's literally silent and no one's here, only me and Brian and all the scarecrows.
Even though it was only the scarecrows who welcomed us to this village. Like the Cat Island, this was another interesting village for us to visit and showcase at least a slice of Japan that may soon disappear. That being said, I want to leave you with one of my favorite quotes from One Piece that I feel like this village perfectly represents.